the last tutorial là Hồng Kông money demand. So now we just work on the United States today, and then that is your homework, okay? And now, all right. So here, they told us that to convert the nominal quantity into real quantity, because this one, this data just show us the nominal, not the real one. So what we have to do is to find the real one, okay? So first to find the money supply nominal. First one, we need to find the nominal value of the GDP, okay? So we have the GDP here. So in the question, they give me a hint that we have to divide the GDP by the CPI or the deflator, all right? So I would choose to divide by the CPI, okay? So we go to the quick and then generate the series, okay? So we have the real. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Equal to the GDP, but divided by the CPI, okay? Yeah, so now we have the real GDP, okay? And the real GDP is viewed in the graph. Yeah, you can see how the real GDP trend like this. Okay, and as you learned in the macroeconomics, we have the different money supply in the economy. We have the M1, M2, and M3. So what are they? So you need to refer to the macroeconomics subject. Okay, so we don't have time to explain for you in this subject. Okay, so you can see trend of the M1, M2, and M3 based on the real GDP. Okay, for example, we see the graph. So we have the M3, M2, M1, and then the real GDP. Okay, here. Okay, so that is the trend of the M1, M2, and M3. Okay, based on with the GDP, real GDP. All right. Now first, we can do the regression for the real M2, right? So as I already give you the transformation, it's equal to the logarithm of real M2, all right? Equal to beta 1 star plus the beta 2 star X2. The X2 here is the real GDP, right? So the log real M2 equal to the beta 1 star plus the beta 2 X2. So what is X2 here? What is the X2 here? Class? What is the X2 here? So we have the log. What is X2 here, class?
Interest.
No, we have the X3 is interest. Remember my equation? So M logarithm M equal to B1 star plus M2 logarithm of Y. Okay, Y here is the GDP plus beta 3 logarithm of the interest rate. Okay, and so now we haven't we haven't transformed real and true. Okay, so we have to calculate the real and true. Real and true equal to the N2 divided by CPI. Okay. Okay, so we have the real GDP and real N2. And then we will have the estimate equation, which means the logarithm of real N2, okay, equal to the, C, the logarithm, yeah, y here is GDP, log GDP, real GDP, okay, space, and then we have the log. So we have so in the question they give us they give us 3 types of interest rate. Okay, so in this case I will choose the bond. I will choose the bond. The bond here, see, bond rate. Alright, then we have our equation here. Okay, can you see?
Em ơi.
So now your work is to find the relationship of the log real M2 with the log real GDP and the short-term interest rate. Okay, the short-term interest rate is the treasury bill rate. Here we have the treasury bill rate here. Okay, and the M3 with the bond rate and the short-term interest rate. Okay, and the next question is what are the results if you use different definition of money and interest rate? Yeah, so that is like you find the relationship between M1, M2, and M3 with a different interest rate. Okay, of bond rate, of the TB rate. Okay, and then in the question 3 you will do the same as question 1. All right, so now you should do your by your own.